Hey guys, what's up and welcome to Onourshelf. Today I have this OStation. It's a battery charging station. It helps recharge your batteries and organize your batteries all in one place. So let's get this out the box. Especially if you're always reaching in your drawers looking for those batteries and they're never charged. You can use this to recharge your batteries. Let's get this out the box. I have all of these batteries here, so let's test it out. Now, if your home is anything like mine, you've probably got batteries everywhere, TV remotes, gaming controllers, flashlights, toys, etc. The problem is figuring out which batteries are charged and which ones are dead. Today, we're checking out the OStation 2 Pro, a smart battery charging station that promises to charge, test, sort, and organize your AA and AAA rechargeable batteries, all in one device. Inside the box, you'll find the instructions, the Type-C cable, the power adapter, OStation, 12 AA lithium-ion batteries, AAA nickel metal rechargeable batteries. Now, first look, right away, this thing reminds me of a water filter. And instead of plugging the batteries into the individual slots, you simply drop them into the top. And one of the coolest features is its portability and free design. That means no worrying about the positive or negative ends facing in the right direction. You just drop them in and let the charger do the work. Now, the OStation 2 Pro can store up to 24 batteries at once, 12 AA and 12 AAA, making it part charger, part battery organizer. Where this thing really stands out is the intelligence built into the system. The charger automatically detects battery type, checks battery health, and can identify incompatible or unhealthy cells before charging. One thing that I like to point out is that this OStation has these trays for the batteries where you pull out when the batteries are done charging, and they have them separated too, so the AAA batteries won't get mixed in with the AA batteries. They have their own compartment. Now, here are my pros and cons. All right, let's go. The pros: it charges, tests, and organizes batteries in one unit. It stores up to 24 batteries. I like how you can just drop in the batteries and you don't have to wonder if it's going in the right direction or the wrong direction. You don't have to worry about the positive or negative. And I like that it detects battery health. Now, the cons: it's a little larger than a traditional charger, but other than that, this thing works great, and it's best suited for people who regularly use rechargeable batteries. So, is the OStation 2 Pro worth it? If you're only charging a couple of batteries a month, a basic charger will probably do the job, but if you're constantly cycling through rechargeable batteries and want a smarter, cleaner, and more organized solution, the OStation 2 Pro is a very impressive upgrade. It takes one of the most boring household tasks and makes it surprisingly fun. I felt like I was playing a game, like I'm at the casino or something. Now, here's a quick surprise. This machine has a dual magnetic charging port station for Olight flashlights. Now, the OStation 2 Pro is actually made by Olight, which is why it has those built-in magnetic ports to charge their flashlights. And Olight is a global brand that specializes in manufacturing high-performance LED flashlights and portable illumination tools. And if you're a gadget lover, you'll appreciate the app support, and it allows you to check charging information right from your phone. So thanks for watching Onourshelf. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share this video. And let me know in the comments how many rechargeable batteries do you currently have around your house. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.